family vlogger, Teacher Bing, Arena Bing, Basilio Rindon. I would just like to feature the vegetables. Super affordable here in Lots for Less. Super affordable. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I have learned from my friend Edna Pidalco. It's my first time here. Lots for Less, Mintal. Super affordable. Okay, I will take the pictures of the prices. Here are the prices. Okay, have a glimpse of the prices. Ampalaya, 36. Super affordable. Okay, and other, even the fruits are affordable. Grabe, no? So talagang lots for less. Yeah, batong, 33. Kalamansi, 28. Watermelon, 18 pesos. So, look at their price list. Yeah, sibuyas, 83 per kilo. Kalabasa, only 18. Oh, yes, kamatis, 20. Talong, 28. Luya, okra, 30 pesos. Patatas. Okay, so this is my picture. Pipino, 22 only. Pitsay, 45. Apple, 22. So, sharing you the prices. Come now to Let's for Less. Their schedule here for vegetables and fruits is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We should come here early. And as much as if we were here in the afternoon, no more, maubusan kayo. So, I have here mine. Ito na. When you will buy, you pick up there and put on here inside the cellophane. I have chosen the squash. Yeah, I have my squash. I have also my eggplant. Yeah, I got my eggplant for 28 pesos only. I do not know this repolyo. I will check. Okay, cabbage, where's cabbage? Ay, hindi ko makita. But super lots for less. Everything is here. Not only vegetables, fruits also, and other merchandise. Diyan palaya, here it is. I got one. 36 pesos only, 1 kilo. What else? The kamuti, 30 pesos only. Okay, good for the health. I have mine. This one, 30 pesos. No more okra, sir? No more okra? Ano na? Wow! Okay. Okay, I will get also the okra. Okra is only 30 pesos. Good for the, pangit na. Napilian na ito eh. Tigas na. Ay. The young ones. Ayaw mo na? Ay, natigas na raw. Yeah, pero super affordable. The okra is only 30 pesos. Patatas is 35.